Drop top time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1961 Pontiac Catalina convertible. 389 that was overhauled approximately 1,000 miles ago. Automatic transmission, power steering. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome and the bright work. The bumpers have been re-chromed on this one, so you can see those are in nice shape. Headlight surrounds, grille. Bright work looks good up front. There are some spots in this car that do have a little touch up here and there. I'll kind of point out some of those as we go around. Paint code on this car, L for Coronado Red. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, top up, top down, and they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Steel wheels, wheel covers, white wall radials. Does have a power top, and the power top pump has been recently replaced. Coming out of long-term ownership. Previous owners of this car had it for 20 plus years. Decided it was time for somebody else to enjoy it. Have the two-tone white and maroon interior. Theoretically, I guess if you're technical, tri-tone. Darker and lighter maroon with the white. Vinyl bench seat. Very stock looking dash. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, I'll show you the top and how it functions going up and down. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Here's one of those spots where you can kind of see there's been some touch up on it. Don't get me wrong, this paint has a nice shine to it. Still shows well, there's just some touch up spots. Cool car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Does have dual exhaust from the front to the rear, and here's that re-chromed rear bumper. As you can see, also in nice shape. A little bit of checking on the paint up here, and you're going to be able to see that in the still pictures too. A few of those little touch-up spots I kind of mentioned. Again, most of them are pretty small. They're kind of tough to see, but there are a few there. All right. Some notes from the technician on this one. First of all, I mentioned that new convertible top pump, new lower ball joints, new trans pan gasket, so tranny pan gasket has been replaced, new oil pressure switch. Brakes are 70% in the front, 80% in the rear. Stereo powered up, but no sound. And a few notes from the previous owner. Does have a newer fuel pump, newer carpet and door panels, and new shocks. We take a look down this driver's side. If you like these early 60s Pontiacs, maybe Pontiacs in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. A few touch-ups right on that door edge. Some along the back. Kind of down below. Like I said, you can see paint has a nice shine to it. Take a little closer look at this interior. Let me get this temporary protective mat out of here a second. All right, door panels. Again with the tri-tone. Tri-color, if you will. And you can see the carpeting. So it is newer carpeting. A little wear in the driver's area of the seat over here. Looks like that could be original interior. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. So 389 underneath the hood. Again, about 1,000 miles give or take since it was overhauled. Stock looking dash. There are a couple aftermarket gauges underneath here. There is a temp gauge. Of course, convertible top switch, and that's been moved to this switch right here. The radio I mentioned powered up, didn't have any sound. Cool looking dashes in these cars. 389 sounds pretty good. So convertible top cover in place, as you can see. And that is, looks like it is a snap cover. So you're aware of that. Gives you a good idea how it sounds. Nice little rumble. Alright, let's go ahead and slip up to the front. Let's check out this engine bay. And then we'll check out that convertible top and how it functions. There's a good look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. Heater core has been bypassed, as you can see. Again, power steering, battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. 389 with a 2-barrel. Smooth runner. Let's go ahead and get to that convertible top. And the convertible top up, and as you can see, functions as it should. All right, above the windshield, nice tight fit. Black vinyl. Does appear to be a newer top. Rolled the side glass up so you can see how that fits. I've not noticed any rips, tears, holes. Rear window, nice and clear. And around to the passenger side. Just some wrinkles from being folded up. Top's probably down more than it's up, I would assume, like most convertibles. Side glass up on the passenger side. Manual windows roll up fine. And again, around to the front, nice tight fit. No rips, tears, or holes. I'll show it going back down also into the storage compartment. Jason's gonna take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. 1961 Pontiac Catalina convertible. 389, remember, overhauled approximately 1,000 miles ago. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1961 Pontiac Catalina convertible, and we have the top down today on this beautiful sunny day. The factory radio appears to be working well. One neat thing, under the dash, separate lever for fading from front to rear on the audio, and that works as it should. This car has a very nice rumble to it. Our alternator gauge shows charging above halfway on the gauge, and the fuel gauge is showing a quarter of a tank. Speedometer appears to be reading approximately correct. It says we're doing 56 miles an hour. It's definitely in the ballpark. Nice condition, vinyl seats. The interior does appear original, which is saying something for 1961. And such great style. The wipers work on this car. Under the dash, we do have an aftermarket temperature gauge reading approximately 180 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're getting any wind noise, that is just the nature of riding with the top down. That camera picks up a little bit of that wind noise. Brakes work nice and smooth. A little bit of traffic again. There's that awesome throttle sound. Very nice power steering. Corners well. Let's get on the throttle a little bit again. Sounds very good. Take a look at all the pictures of this Pontiac Catalina at uniqueclassiccars.com.